Matt 955 is to speak to you as our brightest and best. To speak to you as one with us. You deserve to live in abundance. Today is our wealth building exercise. Matt 955 is our wealth building exercise. When we recall our own people of wherever they are to come into the global market. And when we say our own people, make no mistake about it, it's not because of the color, it's not because of our tongue, it's not because of our educational background, it's not because of our height, it's not because of our test and research. When I say our own people, it's the people that are feeling the pains of the destroyer that came into our life and into our land, and today are in bondage, are in poverty. If you are having poverty, poverty have levels. Poverty have levels. Poverty have degrees. If you are downright penniless, if you are, if you do, some people have money in the bank, but the bills that they have, the bills that they have, is pointing to the fact that they don't have anything. Okay, some people have houses, and that houses, everyone is saying that they have houses, but the bills that they have on that very house means that they don't have nothing. You are still poor. Some people are downright poor. That is, they don't know where their next food, their next meal is going to come out tomorrow. Okay, if you are anxious, made uncomfortable today because you are poor, it then means that two things is happening. Either you're not working hard with your mind, or that somebody is holding your money and which you need to use your mind in order to go and get it. Okay, and we assure you, your abundance is somewhere, because the universe is abundance. The universe brought you here so that you have enough. The universe, the intention of the universe, nobody is brought here not to survive. Nobody is brought here not to have enough. Okay, so if you are looking at yourself and you don't have enough, or if you're not comfortable, then that means that there is an imbalance somehow. Okay, that is why we had to produce our staff, because we know that, you say, for our eyes to open so that we will not continue to live in illusions. You see, science has to do with your eyes, illusions. Something happened in history to make us to lose it. Our vision, our eyes, to begin to live in illusions. So something must happen also for us to begin to wear off those scales, those blindfolds. Okay, illusions. That is why we raised our staff, like Moses of old. Why, when he was leading his own people out of illusions towards enlightenment. Okay, and something happens for us to be in chains, even though you don't see it physically, but we are spiritually in chains. Okay, all these misconceptions about your father's lodge, about your father's chambers, about the global market, it's not from a clean spirit, it's from the destroyer, carefully planted in order forever and ever to make it impossible. I mean, to exclude you from a healthy communion, which is to buy and sell and live in affluence and abundance. You're welcome. You're wondering whose voice you're hearing? This is LTBLIGHT Premier Member, recognizing that you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Recognizing that you are unique. You are unique. Recognizing that you are a part of the universe. You are a part of the universe. Okay? Recognize the you in you. Okay? And stand united with us so that we can be able, like a team, we can be able to conquer this very poverty. Okay? LTBLIGHT Premier Member, coachEmen, delivering the spiritual part of this very work. The one who sent you this very video, you have to share the thanks to that very one. The universe that brought you here, you have to say thanks to the universe. Ether, union of all your ancestors, long gone, men of goodwill that will never die, whose eyes continue to watch over the affairs of men from above, brought you here. The eyes of the universe brought you here. Okay? It's not by accident in any way. It's not by mistake. It's not by error. If you are watching this very video to this point and to the end, you have to take the action. Listen to this clarion call. When Moses saw this clarion call, he didn't have any other choice than to take up this very one staff and begin to do wonders on it. You have one choice, and that is to take this very staff and run. Either you continue to live in illusions under poverty without using science, your eyes, science. I want you to see the I in science. Or you continue to live in delusions, not using your hands, tied, bound like a dog, like a beast, and not working hard in order to build wealth like your own ancestors did. Okay? We speak to you. We will forever and ever continue to speak to you and to call you as the brightest and best that you are. Even though you have forgotten that you know that you are the brightest and best. But today we share that very light to let you know exactly who you are. As the brightest and best, there is a link to connect back to your root. If you connect back to your root, you'll bear good fruit. To connect back to the truth, if you connect back to the truth, you should be set free, and you will not die. Follow the successful and do what the successful are doing. It shall be well unto us. Okay, download the LTBLIGHT way building plan. It's as simple as that. Okay, download it and begin to work it. As you can see, it's not information overload, for goodness sake. It's not here to paralyze you. It's not here to mortify you. It's not here to destroy you, you know, overwhelm you with irrelevancies, history, millions of years ago, cock and bull stories, all kinds. No, technology can be easier than that, you know. Okay, so all the 10 exercises, practical exercises that you need, requirements that you need to stand strong mentally, to be fully groomed physically, okay, to be well groomed spiritually, all is contained here. Okay, from your own ancestors. We did not manufacture even one, but it is hidden. All we did was grab it, strap it, in order to help our own people. And you that is watching this video today, you are my own, my beautiful, my brightest. You're my own, my best. You are my own. Okay, thank you for being here, being our guest today. 955 days in this journey. It's not easy. It has not been easy. Through rain, through sunshine, we made the sacrifice to continue to call our people to come into well building, to buy and sell, to leave that war zone, to leave that worship zone, wasting their time, wasting their energy, wasting their talent, wasting their precious treasures. Hey, you're welcome. If you want to stand like a star, you have to start now. Begin to do it. This journey starts with you. LTBLIGHT team is here to stay, you know. Come rain, come sunshine. It has been planted here and it is here to stay. The enemy will not destroy it again, will not hide it again from our own children, from our own people, from our own land. It shall be well. Okay? This message has been delivered cogently in less than 10 minutes, and we appreciate that we did not waste your time, so that you can be able to go and apply your time to other business, to industry, to doing your spiritual exercises and magical exercises. Okay? Be here again tomorrow, which is 956 day. So 1001 day journey. Be here to that last day to enjoy with us, okay, to celebrate with us, okay. And again, at the end of this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, promote it, give it, treat it like the good it is, okay. Give it let's not say that you are one of those that don't know the value of gold. Don't let us call you a pig. When you see quality, you should know what quality is with the inner eyes. You want your inner eyes by the power of the ANKH. You wake up now to know what is right here before you, and to know the grounds where you are standing, that it is very, very valuable.